Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Simply CM, and today I will be showing to you guys the items that I have ordered from Wish, and it actually arrived early because normally when we order items from Wish, which is China and all those, normally it will arrive 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks, but this time I have ordered and they've arrived in just 2 weeks. So here are the 3 items. I actually opened it a while ago already, but there it is. And this. So first, I'm gonna show you the posters that I ordered. It was very cheap. It's like 35 kroner each. So there you go. Because I actually think our walls here is so empty. Like it's just white walls, so that's why I've been thinking, okay, maybe this is a good idea. So let me just, okay, here we go. There you go. Looks nice. I mean, for me, it looks nice. It's a big one. It's hard to show. Yeah. This is actually really nice. It's a woman. You know. I love it. For 35 kroner, it's really nice. And it's also like good quality in a way. I just have to find the frame. So this is the first that I bought. I have to roll it first. And then the second one, okay, by the way, this one costs 35 kroner. And there's also another one here. It also costs 35 kroner. There you go. And there is like a comics thing. Wait, this is... it's annoying. There. Let me read this first. That is cute. Then there's the second poster. This one I also love. See? I love it. I love something like this. You know, it's a little bit of colors, but more of black and white. I love things like this. So, the third one that I've ordered is this one. Because, I think next year, early next year, I'm planning to maybe travel with my husband, of course. Then I bought this. These are actually a organizer bags, and there you go. I bought this one and another color, blue. Let me just open this one first. I actually forgot what, like how many is it. I think it's more than one. It's very thin, but I mean, I only paid around 20 kroner, so it's okay. So this is the biggest one, where of course we can put clothes on, so it will be nicely organizing the luggage. So there's also this small one, not so small, and there's a smaller one. This is the smallest. And then there's this also. This. I like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces. And I bought this for 20 kroner, I think. Yeah, I can't remember. And then there's another one, but it's just the same. So anyway, these are the items that I bought in Wish. And I think it's good stuff. obviously it's not like super quality, but you know, you get what you paid for. I like it. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.